Welcome to GPS and Track. This is the asset tracker. It's our most popular device and it's easy to see why. No wires, easy to install, so you can put it on anything you want to track. It runs on a 5-year battery life and updates automatically when something starts moving or stops moving. You can draw a geofence around any area with just a few clicks and get an instant alert if something moves in or out. You can also set up after-hour alerts too. So if your equipment isn't supposed to move after 7 p.m. or on a Sunday, you'll get alerted right away. And since the full history is saved from day one, you can pull it up instantly and see exactly where it went, what time it moved, and how long it was there. The other thing I always like to mention is that when you call GPS and Track, you're getting a real person. That means no hold times, no AI, no overseas call center, just someone that's ready to help. And also, there's no monthly fees or contracts, so you're never locked into anything.